Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher. Today we're on a 2024 Scout 215 XSF. So you can see this boat has the sharp gray exterior. It also has the midnight package, so the grab handles and the uprights on the T-top will be powder coated black. Some cool new design on the sea deck on the entry of the boat. This one is powered by a 200 horsepower Merc. Ladder on the starboard side. Coming into the boat, have a nice area back here, ski pylon, nice area to fish out of with the live well here. Or if you need some extra seating, pull this out. You have a seat right there. Also more rod holders and cup holders. Cooler under the seat. And up here to your helm. So you see a digital throttle on there. Garmin electronics, Fusion head unit with JL audio components. Moving to the front of the boat here, you see a nice walkway on both starboard and port. Nice seating area in front, the armrests, backrest in the front, and of course, anchor storage there. Going back on the port side here, you can see underneath the helm, we're going to have a head, or also a storage area. So once again, Captain Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this beautiful 2024 Scout 215 XSF. Thanks. Have a great day.